Hi, a very good afternoon to you all. What we're going to discuss today is what's a technical master data in SAP ISU. So, any master data that is used for actually provide services, that's called technical master data. So, example, a device which is fitted as a customer place. A device can be anything: a meter, transformer, rectifier, anything. So that's my technical master data. So what are other technical master data? So we have seen the device. Now what's a device location? A device location is the place where the meter is installed, is fitted, I say. So you see the slots where the technician comes and fit the meter, a sort of device location. Device location is also used to capture the coordinates, which is latitude and longitude, latitude and longitude. So, example, technician goes to a field to capture for carry out any activity, meter installation, removal. Use the coordinates to go to that place. Connection object is actually physical location where services are provided. So, example, you have multi-story building with 100 apartments. So this multi-story building connection object. And each apartment is a premise. So, premise is the spatial unit or the anchor structure where utility services are provided. Installation is the actual supply point at the premise. It is very important in ISU because it's a place where the billing schema, tariffs, billing procedure, they are attached for the service provided. Point of delivery is nothing but a globally identified unique service point. It's used mainly deregulated market where the person supplying electricity is different than a person who is distributing electricity. Versus a regulated market where the company who is generating, transmitting, distributing, supplying, they all are same. Device category, it groups the devices. Example, you have transformer, a device category. You have single phase meter, device category. You have multiple phase meter, device category. So let's see these things in terms of an ISU house. So ISU house, you say this is a multi-story building. Connection object is a multi-story building. You have different apartment or premise into that. So you have premise as each apartment. So apartment one is premise, apartment two is premise, apartment three is premise. Within each apartment, you have installation one for water meter, installation two for electricity meter, installation three for gas meter. And there is device location one at hallway where we have water meter and device electric meter, and there is another device location at basement where we have a gas meter. So that's what my technical master data here. We have seen connection object, premise, installation, and device location. Let's check this in terms of SAP. So I go to SAP. I have connection object. I use transition ES55. I have premise. I use ES60. Create 62 for display, and the installation ES30 to create, 30 to display, and the device location ES65 to create and ES61 to display. Now let's try to create each of these objects. So we start with connection object. So I go to transition ES55. So I create connection object existing. I use this object, and this menu connection object. I copy this, created. I save it. So now my new connection object created using ES55. Now I want to create a new premise. So I go to one ES61, and I mean ES60, and I want to create a premise. I can create a reference to another premise, but I will change my okay, and I can change this to my connection object which I pre-created before and save it. So I have my premise created which 510610006. I copy this. So this is my premise, right? Now I want to create an installation. I go to ES30. I can create with reference to existing installation, use my premise in once I'm inside. So I this valid from 0102021 DVS30. I go inside. Now I want to use my premise. I keep my premise here and enter and save it. So this I've created. Now I want to create a device location for me. So I go to under ES 65 to create device location. and I can create with a reference to exit device location. So enter test. It is not mandatory. I can just give it and then save it. So that's what we have seen today's videos. What we have said, we have seen the connection object. We understand this. We know how to create it. And similar thing goes for premise, installation, device location. What's the purpose? How to create them? And what's the use in ICP ISU? Where do they fit in ICP ISU hierarchy? We have seen that with the help of ICP ISU house. Thank you for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.